Hello everyone. In this lecture, we'll see a problem on non-homogeneous differential equation using type 3. Solution. The given differential equation can be written as this d cube y upon dx cube can be written as capital D cube of y plus 2 times d square y upon dx square can be written as capital D square y plus d of y is equal to x cube as it is. So from the left hand side we are going to get a complementary function. So therefore we'll take y common. So we'll get d cube plus 2d square plus d of y equal to x cube. So from this we are going to get a complementary function. So therefore the auxiliary equation is, that is, m cube plus 2m square plus m equal to 0. So you can observe here, so we have m cube plus 2m square plus m, so all terms having m, so I will take 1m common. So we are going to left here m square plus 2m plus 1, which is equal to 0. Therefore, so this m equal to 0, or the bracket 4, that is m square plus 2m plus 1 equal to 0. So this, if you simplify, it is a square plus 2ab plus b square form. So therefore I can write this one as m plus 1 whole square equal to 0. Or this may be written as m plus 1 into m plus 1 equal to 0. So therefore this m plus 1 equal to 0 or m plus 1 equal to 0. So from this we are going to get, here we have m equal to 0. So from this m is equal to minus 1 and m is equal to minus 1. So therefore auxiliary roots are, the auxiliary equation roots are m equal to 0, minus 1, minus 1. So therefore complementary function is, that is yc is equal to c1 e raised to 0 into x plus roots are repeated c2 plus c3x into e raised to minus x. So therefore I will rearrange. So yc, c e raised to 0 into x is nothing but e raised to 0. E raised to 0 is 1. So therefore c1 plus bracket c2 plus c3x into e raised to minus x. So this is a required complementary function. So by using the above expression, that is equal to x cube divided by this d cube plus 2d square plus d, we can go for a complementary function, particular integral. So we'll go for that now. So now yp is equal to x cube divided by d cube plus 2d square plus d. So by using long division method we can go for yp. Now so from this long division method we are going to get a complement, particular integral. So this above x cube, we have only one term, so write x cube, and this d cube plus 2d square plus d we have to write in a ascending order. So d plus 2d plus d cube. Now go for the rough work. This first term x cube divided by d. So as we know that 1 by d is nothing but integration of x cube into dx. So 1 upon d is integration symbol, so x cube. So integration of x cube is x raised to 4 divided by 4. So this x raised to 4 divided by 4 we'll write here. So what happens, we'll see. So now d into x cube upon 4. Now we have to work out as differentiation of x raised to 4 upon 4. So first term d of x raised to 4 upon 4 we have to go. So 1 by 4 is a constant. So differentiation of x raised to 4 is 4 into x cube. So 4 cancel, we are going to get x cube here. So that x cube will write here. Now next, plus into plus is plus. 2 times d square it is actually. 2 times d square of this x raised to 4 upon 4. 2 times d square of x raised to 4 upon 4. So this 2 by 4 will become 1 by 2. 1 times differentiation of x raised to 4 is 4x cube. So this 4 and 2 cancels. So we got here 2. Again differentiation of x cube is 3x square. So we are going to get 3 2s are 6 into x square. So plus 6x square. Then plus into plus is plus. D cube of this x raised to 4 upon 4. D cube of x raised to 4 upon 4. So 1 by 4 is a constant. 1 time differentiation of x raised to 4 is 4x cube. So this 4 cancels. Then 1d you take. 1 time differentiation of one more time differentiation of this x cube is 3x square. Then 3 is a constant. Differentiation of x square is 2x. So we'll get 6x. So that 6x we'll write here. Now change the sign, minus minus, here minus. So plus x cube minus y cube cancel. So we have left here minus 6x square minus 6x. So once we get the remainder here, so this remainder contains again polynomial. So this first term of this polynomial we have to divide with first term of this dividend. So we'll see now that is minus 6x square divided by d. It means minus 6 you keep outside. So 1 upon d is nothing but integration of x square dx. So minus 6. So integration of x square is x cube upon 3. So 3 1s are 3 2s are. So we got minus 2x cube. That minus 2x cube will write here. Then plus into minus is minus. Differentiation of 2x cube. D of 2x cube. If you want to write, you can write directly also. Just I am showing the calculation. So 2 is a constant. So differentiation of x cube is 3x square. So that will be 6x square. So this 6x square we have right here. Then plus into minus is minus. 2 times double difference d square of 2 times d square of 2x cube, that is 4 into 1 time differentiation of x cube is 3x square. So 4 3s are 12. So again differentiation of x square is 2x. So which will be 12 2s are 24 of x. So that 24 of x will write here. Next again plus into minus is minus. D cube of minus 2x cube. D cube of 2x cube. So 2 is a constant. 1 times differentiation of x cube is 3x square. So 3 2s are 6. Then one more time differentiation of x square is 2x. Again 6 2s are 12. Differentiation of x is 1, so we got 12. That 12 will write here. So on simplification, plus plus plus, so this cancels, so minus 6x plus 24x will get 18x, then this plus 12. So again it is a polynomial. You can see here again it is polynomial. So again first term of this polynomial divided by, you have to go first term of this dividend. So therefore it will be 18x divided by d, that is 18 is a constant, integration of x dx. So integration of x is nothing but 18 into x square by 2, so which is nothing but 9x square. So that 9x square will write here. So plus 9x square. Now the differentiation of 9x square will be, you will get 18x, then plus into plus is plus, 2 times differentiation, so 2 times d square of 9x square, you are going to get here on simplification 36, but d cube of 9x square. So here the third differentiation, we have to go for 3 times differentiation, which will become 0, so leave it. So change the sign, minus minus, this cancels, so 12 minus 36 will get minus 24. Then this minus 24 divided by d, that is integration of constant, so we'll get here which one as minus 24x. So difference, plus into minus is minus, so differentiation of 24x is 24. So remaining 2 times differentiation, d square of 24 is 0 and d cube is also 0. So therefore change the sign, so this will become 0. So here what we got, the quotient, so that is nothing but a particular integral. So therefore the particular integral is x raised to 4 upon 4 minus 2x cube plus 9x square minus 24 of x is nothing but a yp. So therefore the particular integral is x raised to 4 upon 4 minus 2x cube plus 9x square minus 24x. So therefore the general solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. So yc value is, we got it as c1 plus c2 plus c3x into e raised to minus x plus yp value, that is x raised to 4 upon 4 minus 2x cube plus 9x square minus 24x. So this is a required general solution of the given non-homogeneous differential equation of the type polynomial.